Hello student, how are you? I am Arun sir, qualification Bachelor of Engineering from Jadavpur University. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. Today in this class I will discuss some IIT problems of vectors. Now let's start some problem. First problem, suppose if A, B and C are the unit vectors along the incident ray, reflected ray and the outward normal to the reflector, then the option is B equal to F minus C. Second option, B equal to A plus A dot C. C. Third option, B equal to 2A minus C. Fourth option, B equal to A minus. This is the question. First question is this. Question is if A, B and C are the unit vectors along the incident ray, reflected ray and the outward normal to the reflector, then which option is correct? Suppose this is a mirror, this vector is A, reflected ray this is B, and C is this. So this is C, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now extend this. This is also A. Now if the angle between this is alpha, then this also alpha. This is the angle alpha, alpha. Incident angle and reflected angle the same. Now this angle will be, if this angle is alpha, then vertically opposite this also alpha. So angle between A and C, angle between A and C will be pi minus alpha. Suppose this angle is alpha, this angle is alpha. Now this is, we extend the vector A. Now this is vertical opposite. So angle between A, this is A vector and this is C vector along this. So angle between A and C is pi minus alpha. Now just resolve the vector A, B, C in terms of I and J. Suppose this is I vector and this is J vector. So suppose this angle of incidence is alpha, angle of reflection is also alpha, and extend the vector A along this direction. So this is vertically opposite. This alpha equal to this angle. This is alpha. This is alpha. So angle between A and C, angle between A and C becomes A and C. A and C. Angle between A and C becomes pi minus alpha. So now what is A dot C? In question A dot C is present, so we find A and C. A, B, C are the unit vectors. So magnitude of A both is 1. So what is A dot C? 1 1 cos 180 minus alpha, which is equal to minus cos alpha. Now resolve A and B in terms of I and J. Suppose unit vector along this is I, unit vector along this is J. Now what is A vector? A vector becomes, this is A, this is alpha. So A vector becomes A cos alpha into, this is IJK, minus K, same plane. A cos alpha minus J, all the three lines lie in same plane, so this is xy plane. A cos alpha into minus are this and this direction, resolve part, component parts are this and this, so A cos alpha minus J plus A sin alpha I. So this is vector A, and this is the vector B becomes B cos alpha J plus B sin alpha I. Now A and B magnitude is unity, so A becomes minus cos alpha and B becomes cos alpha J plus sin alpha I. B minus A, if we subtract B to A, what comes? B minus A becomes B to A subtract, if we subtract B to A, then this becomes this cancel, this minus that is 2 cos alpha J. C vector is along, what is C vector? C vector is unit vector, magnitude into 1 into unit vector along Z, along y axis, that is J. So C vector equal to J vector actually. Now from the result we get B minus A, B minus equal to 2 cos alpha J, and if we and also A dot C into C vector, A dot C equal to, we get minus cos alpha into C vector is J. So the result is B minus A equal to this, and also so result becomes cos alpha J, we put cos alpha J here, cos alpha J, this minus, so result will be this. This is the result. Option 4, B minus A equal to this, so put cos alpha J, this value at here, we get the result is, so option 4 is correct. Exam, a particle is moving eastward with a velocity of 5 meter second in 10 second. The velocity changes to 5 meter second along north direction. The average acceleration of the particle is different options are given. Now what is the result? I solve this. Particle is moving, question is A particle is moving eastward with a velocity of this. In 10 seconds, the velocity changes to 5 meter per second along north. The average acceleration of the particle is what? Suppose this initial velocity u into 5. Suppose this is unit vector I, and along north unit vector is j. So initial velocity equal to 5 meter per second. In 10 seconds, it turns along north. Velocity remains same. Now what is the acceleration of that particle? So we use the formula acceleration equal to v minus u by t. So put v equal to 5j minus u equal to 5I by t equal to 10. So this becomes now what is the direction? Direction is important. This becomes j by 2. What is the direction of this vector? J by 2 is along this direction and minus I by 2 is along this direction. So result of this is along this direction. So if this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. So now that angle is theta, and theta equal to perpendicular magnitude of this equal to half by base, magnitude of base equal to also half, that is 1. So theta equal to 45 degree. So we can express the direction as 45 degree north of west. North of west, because this is west. Of west, we write of west because angle the direction of A is 45 degree from the west. So we write here of west, and it is directed towards north. So 45 degree north of west. The direction is this, and magnitude is 1 by root 2. Next problem. Suppose a circle A B C. This is 45 degree and radius is R. Find this is OA plus OB plus OC. Magnitude of OA plus OB plus OC. Solution is this way. So if we take unit vector along this I and unit vector along this J, that is this is x-axis and this is y-axis, then OA equal to R into I simply, and OC equal to R into J, and we have to express OB in terms of I and J. So OB, we use the formula A equal to A cos theta I plus A sin theta J. So OB equal to the magnitude of OB equal to R. So R cos 45 degree I plus J, which is J. Now OA plus OB plus OC equal to put here RI plus OB So you can take common I, r plus r by root 2. Result is we take common r into 1 plus root 2. Coefficient is 1 1, so 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. So this is the answer. This is the answer. A, B, C, B vectors such that zero problem is if A, B, C be vectors such that A plus B plus C equal 0, mod A equal to 3, mod B equal to 4, mod C equal to 5, find A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot D. So solution, what will be the solution? We, we take the mod of this and square. This means dot this. We know mod A square equal to A vector dot A vector. So take this as a single vector. Suppose this is a single vector. So this mod square equal to this dot this. Now this value is 0. So 0 equal to now A dot A. A dot A is mod A square plus A dot B plus A dot C plus B dot A plus B dot B. So multiply step by step. B to this, B to B, B to C. Next C to A plus C dot B plus mod C square. Now what is mod A? 3 put here. 9 plus A dot B. A dot B and B dot A same. So A dot B and B dot A same. A dot C, C dot A same. Commutative. So take common 2. Mod A square 9, mod B square 16, mod C square 25. So from this we get the result. So result is minus 25.